Hey guys, welcome back to Desi Airdrops YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you how to register with Bitcoin POS Airdrop. So let us go to www.desiairdrops.com and scroll a little here and click on Bitcoin POS Airdrop in the latest airdrop section. Right? So guys, Bitcoin POS giveaway is 0.1 BPS tokens worth of $9 to its community members. To participate in this airdrop, sign up an account at MyContainer, complete the simple social media task and submit your details at the contest page. So 30 random winners will be selected to share $350 BPS tokens, right? So finally, you can also refer your friends to register more points and get more chances to win the contest. So you can see the details also here, guys. There are 30 people will be the randomly picked guys, and this already started on September 3rd, and this is going to be end on 20th of September, another 12 days. So invite your friends to increase your winning chances, right? Okay, before going into the registration process, let's know a little more about the Bitcoin POS project. So Bitcoin proof of stake consciences is a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, the next evolution in Bitcoin technology, Satoshi's vision reimagined. So Bitcoin proof of stake takes everything you know and love about Bitcoin and makes it faster, more rewarding and ready for real digital currency payments. So if you want to know more about proof of stakes Bitcoin means, click here, it will take you to the website, right? Here you can understand more about this Bitcoin proof of stake project. There is one more thing which I like when I scroll down, guys. Can you see here? If you miss the opportunity to be an early Bitcoin investor, you have a second chance to buy a Bitcoin proof of stake. So yes, a good project to invest, and even the current value of one token is, say, around 1 BPS token value is $72, and this is all the total supply of the token, right? Okay, there are 6 simple steps to complete the registration process for this airdrop, guys. Let's start with step number 1. Sign up an account at MyContainer. Click here to sign up an account at MyContainer. I have already signed up an account, guys. So what I do, I'll show it to you again. So I already have created an account before, but for you I want to show it. So I'm going to log out. If you're registering for the first time, just click on the register sign up button here. It's very simple, guys. Just give your email address and the required field. So I'll be putting as airdrops999 at gmail.com and give a password. Confirm your password again. That means you have to give the same password, right? Now click on I have read and click I agree button here. Guys, it's very simple. Just click on sign up, give your email address and a password, repeat the same password which you have given here, and click on I have read and click I agree. Now click on create account button, right? So okay, let me clear this one. It's asking for the trains. Let me get it off. Now click on create account button. Oh, it's coming. Okay, let me complete the captcha and come back to you. So yes, I have successfully created an account. Now the moment I create an account, we will be getting an email for verification. So let's go to the email and verify and come back. Yes, I have already verified my email address too. Now step number 2, visit the Bitcoin proof of stake contest page. Click here to visit the Bitcoin proof of stake contest page. So guys, we have to log in with either any one of this. So I'm going to log in with my Facebook, or maybe even email also better. I already have an account earlier, but I'm not going to use that one. So let me go with the Facebook account. It's easy, right? Okay, register on my container. Yes, I have done. So once you register, it will come in the green tick, blue tick will come, because already I have done it quite long back. Now do all these steps, follow at my container on Twitter. Click here to follow my container on Twitter. I already have followed in the morning today. So can you see I'm already following? Similarly, follow Bitcoin POS on Twitter. Yes, I have done. Now retweet at my container on Twitter. This also has done. Provide your Bitcoin POS. Yes, go to your account, get the get this and submit it. So step number 3, yes, complete the simple social media tasks. Step number 4, submit Bitcoin POS wallet from my container to unlock more entries. Step number 5, you can also also 30 random winners will be selected to share $350 BPS tokens. Step number 6, finally refer your friends to get more points to win the contest. Well, that's all guys about the registration process for Bitcoin proof of stake airdrop. If you like this airdrop, don't forget to upvote and comment below. Follow us on Telegram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter for latest legit and exclusive airdrops. In addition to this, please subscribe to our newsletter to receive new airdrops every day in your inbox for absolutely free. Have a happy airdropping. Bye bye.